Alright, so we're exiting Satara on a beautiful South African morning. Look at that sunrise. Yeah. So we're safaring along, having a wonderful day. We are, thank goodness, close to Ngwetsi Picnic Site. We're going to stop, and if there's a shop there, I'm going to get ice cream. Just kind of chillax and get out of the car for a little while. We've been at it for 2.5, almost 3 hours. Very far. No cats or dogs yet. We've seen a lot of French fries, which are Impala. They're everywhere, so French fries. And some kudu and some great bird sightings. We saw Jacana. Really excited about that shot because he was in the water eating. So there's a beautiful reflection of him. Water dripping off his beak. I'm really excited to see that shot. We also spent some time first thing this morning with a fish eagle fishing, and he was actually a little perturbed because, because right across the other side of the pond that he was fishing on was a giant kingfisher, and he kept looking over there like, get the heck away from my, oh yay, we're only a mile away from the picnic site. Yes, yes, yes. So, and it's paved road, tar road, as they say here. So we're turning left, so that means it's like turning right at home. I have to remind myself of that a lot. Anyway, yeah, I will probably show you the sights at Ngwetsi. We're gonna enjoy our Sprite Zeros and take a little time before we pop our butts back in the car. So one of the cool things about the Kruger is that it travels through so many eco zones, and we definitely just traveled into a new eco zone when we were at Satara, and traveling from Satara till almost to here. It was very low, like almost savanna-ish grasslands, and now we're back into the wonderful world of koppies, which are hills. Beautiful rocky outcroppings over there, somewhat mountainous terrain, not mountains, not like we're going to see later, but yeah, just very, very different eco-zone than what we were in. I don't know the different names of the eco-zones, I just know that we're in a new one. Here. I think so. Males on either side, I think so.